Yashwant Chavan Varna Mahavidyalaya Varnanagar. Today we are going to discuss one of the beautiful name reaction, that is MPV reduction. That MPV reduction, in which we have three alphabets, one is M, second P and third one V. These are the initials of three scientists, that is Marvin, Konrad and Gorley. In MPV reduction, aldehydes or ketones on reaction with isopropyl alcohol in the presence of aluminium triisopropoxide as a catalyst to form primary or secondary alcohol respectively, with the elimination of beautiful side product, that is acetone. For example, for explanation we will take this example, that is ketone. This ketone on reaction with isopropyl alcohol in the presence of aluminium triisopropoxide to form secondary alcohol plus acetone. This is secondary alcohol. Here, this keto group on conversion to form, that is C double bond O, is converted into CHOH. Here, this keto group accepts two hydrogens, and according to reduction definition, any molecule or any species which takes proton is called as reduction. Therefore, this reaction is called as MPV reduction. This aluminium triisopropoxide acts as a catalyst, and we simplify that molecule as like this. This aluminium is having valence 3, and this aluminium is connected to 3 isopropoxy group. Isopropox is written as like this: OHC. This is CH3. Two CH3 groups are attached to this carbon atom, and same group attached to aluminium here, CH3. Another one isopropoxy group is attached, CH3. Yes. Remember this structure because in mechanism, out of the 3 isopropoxy group, one of the isopropoxy will utilize for mechanism purpose, means one of triisopropoxide, aluminum triisopropoxide reduces 3 ketone group or 3 aldehyde group. Which mechanism? In mechanism, this mechanism is followed by two steps. In first step, aluminium complex is formed. Means this, first of all, this catalyst is reacted with ketone group, ketone, to form aluminium complex through 6-member cyclic intermediate. We will see this is R, C, R dash. For our convenience, we will write this ketone group as like this. Aluminium triisopropoxide will write this like aluminium. In the bracket, isopropoxy groups are, I will write methyl as like this, 2 methyl groups attached to this carbon atom, and out of 3 isopropoxy, I will write here 2, and remaining 1 isopropoxy group I will put here. This aluminium connected to oxygen atom like this. Aluminium is connected to oxygen atom. This oxygen is connected to, I will write this one like this, carbon atom. Carbon is connected to hydrogen. This carbon is connected to hydrogen, and this carbon again connected to 2 CH3 group. This is aluminium. These are 2 isopropoxy groups, and one of the isopropoxy groups I wrote here like this. In the mechanism, this pi-bonded electron pair is migrated towards aluminum. This aluminum oxygen bond pair will broken down, and this bond pair is migrated here. Here, this hydrogen along with this bond pair is migrated from this in between carbon and hydrogen towards this carbon and carbonate, and then we will get the structure like this. This R as it is, this C as it is, this R as it is. Now one of the sigma bond from the C double bond O is remains as it is. This is oxygen as it is. Now I will write further here this gap OCH Me by 2 taken twice. Now this bond will broken down. This carbon oxygen bond, single bond sigma bond is there, and further it will form double bond. This CH3 as it is, and here hydrogen is. Now what happened? This bond will broken. Here carbon oxygen double bond will form, aluminum oxygen bond will broken, and this carbon oxygen double bond is converted into single bond, and then it forms this single bond as it is. This bond will broken. Therefore I will write here dotted line. Here bond will fall. This bond will broken down, and here carbon oxygen bond will fall, double bond. This aluminum oxygen bond will broken, and here aluminum oxygen bond will fall. Then we will get this R as it is, C as it is, R dash as it is. This carbon is connected to oxygen. Oxygen now connected to aluminum, and then aluminum is connected to two isopropoxy groups, CH Me by 2 taken twice, plus we will get CH3 C double bond O CH3. That is, in first step valuable side product acetone is formed. Now in second step I will clean this one. In second step, this aluminum complex will take one proton from isopropyl alcohol to form the product. This R as it is, C as it is, R dash as it is, O Al O CH Me by 2 taken twice, plus CH3 C CH3 OH. Now this oxygen is having two lone pairs of electron. Out of that, one lone pair will attack here. Aluminum is aluminum oxygen bond will form. Then this bond will broken down, and this oxygen takes this hydrogen from isopropyl alcohol to form RC R dash C. This carbon is connected to oxygen having negative charge, O negative. This negatively charged oxygen takes this proton to form OH, and here hydride ion transferred from that first step is there, and we will get isopropyl alcohol plus Al OCH Me by 2. We have here we have two isopropoxy groups, and one of the isopropoxy, that is CH3 CH3O, means O this one, CH this one, Me by 2, that is called as methyl group. These two methyl groups are there, means two isopropoxy are converted into three isopropoxy groups. And here aluminum triisopropoxide complex, that is called as catalyst, is regenerated. This is the beauty of this reaction. I will repeat again. Secondary alcohol on reaction with, the ketone on reaction with isopropyl alcohol in the presence of aluminum triisopropyl oxide to form secondary alcohol with the regeneration of aluminum triisopropyl oxide as a catalyst and elimination of acetone as a valuable side product. And this reaction is completed in two steps of mechanism, and here the MPV reduction. If you have any query about this reaction and mechanism, write in comment box, and if you would like this lecture, please like and subscribe. Thank you.